What's up, everybody? Just about to get home from an Alcatraz tour today, and I'm heading up Highway 9 here. And I thought I'd give you guys a little preview of a pure sound video with the 350Z, with my younger brother's 350Z. Wanted to update you guys a little bit on some bits and bobs about the 350Z. So the reason why this car is so easy to heel tow is the fact that he has the limited Nismo, or not even Nismo, but the Nissan 380 variant from Japan. It was this one-off model that they made. It was a 3.8 liter V6. They had some nice Nismo parts on there. This was before the Nismo Z came out. So he ordered this pedal from Japan, which allows you to heel toe on it very easy, and yeah, it makes it really nice. So that's why it's so easy to heel toe on this car. So if you have a stock 350Z and you're having trouble with the heel toe ref match, then I would highly suggest that you see if you can get your hands on the JDM 380Z. Well, not even a Z, I think it's called a 380 RS or something like that. If you can get your hands on that, man, you'd be really golden on some heel toe opportunities. So yeah, so just a little update on that. And for now, let's do a pure sound video. Enough of me talking, and let's do a pure sound video of the Z. So have a listen and enjoy. Very nice sounding car. It's got the Z1 exhaust, Z1 intake, JWT pop charger. perfection of pure sound there. Ready for some more? Here we go. Sounds pretty good for a 21-year-old car. She sings good. She sings pretty good still. Notice that the slower I'm off the clutch, the smoother the rev match. If I try to pop my foot off the clutch a little too quickly, I get a little bit of a lurching forward action. Is that how all these are, or is it just this one? You guys tell me. Late night riders, whenever I see a headlight coming towards me, especially at night, I like to back off just a bit. You never know what they're trying to do. traffic ahead here. But yeah, oh man. Nice sounding Z. Nice sounding Z. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed that pure sound episode of a 2004 350Z with Z1 dual exhaust, Z1 carb legal intake, and JWT pop charger. Hopefully the sound quality was pretty good. And if these are some of the mods you're kind of aiming to get, and you kind of get an idea of what it sounds like in the cabin. I'll try to get some videos later of what the car sounds like from the outside, with some flybys and stuff like that. And that way you guys can get some enjoyment and hear what the car sounds like from the outside. But until then, until the next one, peace.